Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. A P2P-Botnet detection model and algorithms based on network stream analysis. Abstract. The botnet is a type of network that consists of PCs which are infected with malware such like bombs. Accordingly, the large movement of traffic is generated because those bot pairs find the other pairs and exchange the information continuously. The attacker using the botnets are continuously increased. The various techniques are detecting the botnets. They are P2P detecting P2P nodes detection algorithm, P2P nodes clustering algorithm, and botnet having similarity detection algorithm. The proposed methods captured and analyzed network traffic, and then each method applied and the machine running in order to detect P2P botnets. A large number of destination unreachable error messages and connection reset error messages can be observed, but bots which encrypt their payloads. The real-time detection of botnet activity in the network, a model was deployed on a system which was receiving mirrored traffic from the entire network. Architecture diagram. First, user creates the number of nodes, that is network capture, and then P2P bot, flow extraction, P2P and other binning. First, P2P botnets. If any other third-party attackers will included in the data corruptions to retrieve the data from the attackers. Then botnet detection model running on applications. The botnet detection is if any errors in the nodes, the alternative path to be detected and the data to be transferred from another node. That means this the user select the source and destination. If any node is a fault detecting, the data is to be transferred from one node to, that means alternative path node. Then classified malicious and non-malicious, that is we are going to detect the fault node. Then collecting malicious traffic and running future extraction model to store. This is on. We're going to reduce the traffic and the data transferred from one to another, that means source to destination, without any errors or end the traffic. I'm going to running the project a peer-to-peer botnet detection model and the algorithms based on network stream analysis, and I'm clicking the enter button. It moves to next frame. Here I'm going to create the number of nodes and get connection. The nodes will be connected, and the source node, I'm entering the node 1 is a source node and 4 is a destination node, and I'm clicking next. It moves to next frame. Here I'm getting the IP address and browse any one of the data from my colon. Here I'm going to take any one of the data and the data to be displayed here, and the encryptions, I'm going to encrypt the whole data, and I'm proceed to next frame. Here I'm select any one of the data. Here I'm going to separate the data. That means I'm going to take any one of the data here, and file subsedition I'm going to separate 42, and I'm select the destination directory here, E: and Aparna. I'm having the destination directory. The file has been splitted in my system, E: Aparna. Here the data to be splitted into 325 data to be splitted here, from 0 to 325 data to be splitted here. Then I'm clicking next button. Here I'm getting the path and I'm clicking next. Here I'm calculating the distance from the nodes. Then I'm clicking next button. I'm getting the path and intermediate node and nodes operations, and here show the nodes operations. Next here I'm getting the fault node and alternative paths also I'm having here. Then I'm clicking next. It moves to here. I'm going to give any one of the IP address. Here I'm receive the data. I'm clicking next. Here I am clicking the start simulation. The node will be moved from one place to another. Here I am having node M1 to M8. Here 8 nodes I am having. The nodes will be moved from one place to another place. Here I am stop the simulation. Then here I am clicking the getting source node and the destination node again. Then I am clicking next button. Here I am having the AOE and node point and graph. Here I am having the AOE. AOE is an angle of arrival, and then angle of nodes I am having here the target locations. The target locations are location of the time. Then node point. Here the node point going to take the data. Then I am clicking the graph. Finally I am getting the graph, a comparison between existing system and proposed system. Thank you.